Hey guys, we're just going to the fishing marina so we can get on the boat. We're going to be go fishing down by the beach where we live. Not going to tell that to you guys, but I'm bringing with me Ori and Kalindo.
Let's go fishing trip.
Alright, we'll see you guys there.
Hello guys, I'm Robbie Patla here at my good friend Jackson Vaughn. While those other two fools are off doing weird things, we decided to bring you a cooking show. What are we making today, Jackson?
I think the plan for today is we're making egg sandwiches.
Oh, awesome. So we've got our eggs here, English muffin buns, bacon.
Got some milk.
Cool, and for those other two, we're going to put a little bit of extra seasoning in there. Rat poison. So, without further ado, let's get to it.
Yeah, alright. So, you want to start the bacon and I'll talk to them how I'm going to make the eggs?
Certainly.
Alright. So we're going to be using this entire container of eggs, which is 11 of them, not 12. And so what we want to do is crack them all into a bowl. Okay.
Carry on.
So. Alright, we're gonna have to work with this in a slightly different way. Ignore my incompetence abilities of making.
Right here I'm making, what is it, bacon? I have cooked bacon only a couple times before, so I am not a pro, but I'm gonna do my best. So first, I'm gonna take this pan, put the olive oil on it. Are you sure this is olive oil? Not that pan, never mind. So I'm about to test my first batch of bacon. Here goes.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Bye-bye, Ori.
Oh, it's time. Look at the difference in this bacon. This is like black almost, and this is like pure.
Do you have something
bread
against? You just said
no
bread.
Alright, hey guys, right now we're just setting up GoPros to get on the trip to Balandra.
Hey guys.
Don't mock me.
How you doing, Ori? Setting up that GoPro there?
Yeah, man, I'm doing it right now.
Yeah.
We're all really tired. Why, I don't know.
I'm not. I'm really not.
Okay, I guess Jackson's tired.
So I'm just sitting here in the car while these kids,
We're jamming to some songs.
and I'm just here like, why? And then this kid freaking won't let me use any. So I'm all alone. I'm just gonna take a nap. I want to say hi.
Oh,
They can't even see you.
Hey, can you see? Hey.
Hey.
Look at those dings. Look at them. Look at these dings.
So we've arrived at this beach. Apparently we were able to walk out for miles. We're gonna rent some kayaks, put on some GoPros, and go have fun. That's right. I don't know if he's still recording or not, so I don't know what to say. We're on a kayak. We're gonna head out there and go snorkeling. Can I put this in the water?
Jack, can you put that in the water?
I can't.
As long as you don't drop it.
I won't drop it.
We're swimming at the coral reef. This is very, very awesome.
So now we're just chilling at the beach. We just had a big argument. You know, we were trying to get back, and we connected our two kayaks together.
Stupid idea, by the way.
It did not end well. But right now we're chilling at the beach. I don't really know what we're doing, but I'll keep you posted.
Are you vlogging?
I'm just getting some B-roll.
You don't want it to be mine, that's for sure. Yeah.
Oh!
Watch out with those rocks.
Your bags put our
Yeah,
boots
there's
in.
enough. No. Right here. Okay?
Alright, kid, what's on the agenda for today?
We're going to some dope pools, waterfalls, and we're gonna, yeah.
Completely refuses to get in the water besides his ankles.
One deeper than my ankles.
Okay, your calves, I'll give you that. He's never gonna up to my shoulders. Why am I giving me? 3, 2, 1, jump! Ready? On the bottom? I didn't touch it. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, Remy? Bobby, how was that?
not on how it is.
So we just jumped from that the second time. We can't hit the bottom. It's so deep that it's just a black abyss.
We're still gonna go again.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do it again.
We're not done yet.
We're not gonna do any tricks. We're not gonna be like those people pro on YouTube where we do tricks. We're gonna die on that. I'm gonna go with it.
Cleaned up. Do it with us.
One more time? Yeah. Do it one more time. I'm gonna go with it. Yeah. That's really fun.
The only thing is just forward. I didn't like the air. This whole thing was into a rush. The rush is what is.
These two refuse to jump off that little rock.
Okay, here is even get in the water. At least I've done that. I don't want
You still gotta jump off. Come on. Don't do the big one. Just jump off the little one. Come on.
He's not even getting in the water. At least I've got it. I'm fine right where I am. No, you're not.
Leave me alone.
Uno, dos, tres. Are you ready, Robbie? Uno, dos, tres. Alright, first beach dive in Las Piedras with the homies here. Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Alright, I have my pins on. Alright, what about you, Robbie? Okay.
Hey, what is up, guys? I am back home from Cabo and I am beat. I am so beat. This trip was, it took a real toll on me. It was an amazing trip. One of the best experiences I've had in my entire life. Payton, Jackson, I can't thank you guys enough for inviting and taking me to Cabo. It was amazing. And Ori, dude, we wouldn't be friends if we didn't do all the dumb stuff we do together. So I'd like to thank you too. Thank all three of you for being amazing friends, and thank you for letting me experience this with you guys. It is definitely something that I will never forget. And we are in the garage right now. That's the only place I could find that's quiet, but it's not a problem. Problem is, or that's actually no problem. The point is, I had an amazing time and I enjoyed it so much, you guys bringing me with me. I couldn't film us heading back home and stuff because my vlog camera actually died, which sucks. I'm just stupid. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You know your boy would love that. Until next time, I will see you then. Take care, bruv.